Hey my viewers, welcome back to our Franky Mitaly's channel. In this video, who are new viewers for us, please subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get notifications of our all updates. So today, I will show you a makeup tutorial of wedding guest or party makeup look with green outfit. Before that, I will say that I am not a professional makeup artist. I am doing it just for my passion, and before I started this video, I applied the primer on my face and set up my eyebrow. Now, I am applying a foundation of my favorite pastel brand with shade number 354. I applied it to my face 2 times and I used the sponge to blend it well. At the same time, I blended a little more foundation on my neck so that the combination of face and neck looks correct. Then I am going to use a Elegant brand of concealer with a sponge on the lower part of my eyes and some more areas of my face to highlight it. And viewers, you may have noticed that a part of the mirror in my hand is broken, and I also used a piece of mirror during this video. This is because of my 18 months old baby broke the mirror while I was making this video. After set my base makeup, I used the pastel brand shade 354 of face powder, which is not shown in my video by mistake. Sorry guys. Anyway, now I will show you my Beauty Gadget eyeshadow palette. And I made a crease line on my outer corner of my eyes with an eye brush. After I made my crease line, I used again my concealer to cut crease my eyelids. I know I need more practice to do this makeup. Then I used the Beauty Gadget brand of eyeshadow palette to apply a bottle green shade on the top of my eyelids, top of the cut crease. This brown eyeshadow. Then I put some black brown eyeshadow and blended it on my outer corner of my eyelids. Then I applied some green shimmery shade on the middle part on my eyelids by finger to make my eye look gorgeous. Then I lined my eyes with golden rose eyeliner. I was so nervous this time because this is my first video doing makeup. Then I curling my eyelashes with eyelash curler and put my mascara on my eyelids. Sorry, eyelashes. After finishing the eye makeup, I applied false eyelashes on my eyes to look my eyes more attractive. Actually, I don't use any separate contouring kit for my face contouring. I always do face contouring with dark brown shade of my Jacqueline eyeshadow palette. After contouring my face, I blush my cheeks with a golden rose brand of blush. This is my favorite blush. I always use this in every occasion. This blushing is so natural. It's give me natural look. After blush on, I highlight my cheeks, upper jawline, nose and chin with my highlighting palette. Using my finger to highlight it. Then I applied the NARS liquid lipstick on my lip after applying lip liner. this is my favorite lipstick. This shade's name is Wine. And finally my makeup is done, and I use the setting spray all over my face and my eyes, highlight my inner corner of which was not captured in my video. My mistake, sorry guys. So viewers, if you want to see more videos like this, please comment in the comment box. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my videos. See you again with new video. Okay, bye.